Welcome back. As I said, I just moved the glass for the wall clock up, so we can see the inside of the clock and texture that out. Alright, now let's isolate the cabinet and continue working on the cabinet pieces. Next, we need to add some pattern and color to the fabric. So first of all, let's start with the height or normal. So let's go and hold Alt, click on the height and add a little bit of positive height. Add a black mask and fill layer to that. Alright, let's go, and we have some weave pattern down here. Let me try this for now. Alright, I can't see that. Let's go and add more height. Alright, let's go and maybe tile that a really high number. Needs to be rotated 90 degrees. Let's check the other pattern. Yeah, I guess the let me try this with also. No, it's not the one. Let's go up, and as I remember correctly, we just used I guess, let me see, this one. Yep, yeah, it's more like it. So, and I guess this much repeat is good. Let's go here and add more anti-alias for now. Right, that's good for height. We need to move that a little bit to sit correctly on the metallic part. And also let's go to metallic part and let's Control C, copy this material, go back to, where is it, the woods. Yep, woods, and create a folder, add a black mask to folder and call that metal. And let's select this one, and also in here this one. Alright, and paste the material. So we have some metallic parts here as well. Alright, now let's go back to fabric, and we need to add a pattern to our color. So let's add a layer. Maybe for now let's call that color 1. Just keep the color, Alt click on the color, and let me sample a color from our concept. It's a little bit dark, so go to the greenish side. Maybe enable the roughness as well and make it really rough. And let's go to and add a black mask and fill layer, and let's go and find a pattern. So let's see with patterns which one is more. Let's try this one and rotate that 45 degrees and tile it to be something like this. I guess it's not perfectly look like the concept, but I'm going to use only the provided patterns, so let's find the closest one to the concept. Maybe this one. Let's drag and drop that. No rotation, but tile that. Yeah, that's more like it. Alright, maybe 10 times. It's not good. 12. Yeah, maybe. Right, and also let's add a folder. Oh, that maybe 01 and 02. Let's add black mask with the mesh fill. Select this one. And for the top one, 02, select this one. Drag and drop the materials inside the folder. Alright, now below the color 1, or yeah, change the here to color 2. Add a new fill layer, call that color 1. Keep the color only. And let's make maybe some color like this. Alright. Not happy with the pattern. Not that. Alright, our choices is not that white, so maybe this one with 90-degree rotation but less styling. Invert. Let me see all together. Not that impressive. Where is it? Try this one. Invert. And less styling. No. This one with no rotation. Yeah, this one is more like it. Alright, now let's isolate again. Go to 02. Same pattern, so let's Ctrl C the height, Ctrl V that into folder 2. And this time rotate that 90-degree. Alright. Now let's add some other patterns. Just name that color 2. Add another. Let me Alt hold on the color. And color 01. And Alt here. And let's add a base color. Something like the pinkish tone. I guess that's good. And in the top color, let's make it red. Not that red. Alright, that's good. Add a black mask and fill layer. After that, let's go to here. And let me find a squared pattern. What about the tile generator? But with the square. This is the same tile generator that you find inside the Substance Designer. Needs to be inverted. So let's add a level and invert. Go back to tile generator, pattern, scale. And here number of X and number of Y. Go back to size, and yeah, now we have something like this. That's really accurate. At the base color, let me sample that from the pattern, then make it lighter. Alright, now let's go above this two folder, add a AO dirt, keep the color and roughness, make it really rough, and multiply the color, add a black mask and generator. Alright, now add a ambient occlusion generator, Control Alt and the mask, and let's go and change some settings. Maybe invert the not that invert, because we need to need this inside of the fabric to be darker. So we go to ambient occlusion settings and make some changes. Alright, not bad. Let's hit Control D and call this curvature. Delete the occlusion and add another generator, curvature. And let's change the curvature settings to be something like this. Less bright, around maybe. And make that a really dark color. Now drop the opacity of the color. Alright, it's good. Now let's go and change this, add another folder and change the name to tiles, I guess. Yeah. Give it a color. Let's go back to wall and floor. And inside the tiles, let me find the tiles here. Let's Control C the whole thing. Go back to cabinets. And first of all, let's add. Go to to the UV view. Yeah, those are in separate tiles. So let's go back F2 and exclude all tiles. Include these two tiles. And Control V, paste them. Alright, let's go and disable the dirt for now. Version 2, version 3. Let's enable version 2. Clear the mask. And select the polygon fill and mesh fill. Let's find some tiles to select. Alright, now version 3. Clear the mask and select some random tiles. Hit X to bring back some of the tiles, like so, and add the dirt. We go to dirt setting and change the dirt level, dirt contrast, and yeah, that's good. Now Let's go and check our height. And as you can see, we need to add a fill layer with only height and a scatter. Also, let's go and add the opacity also for this layer, this material, the cabinet material. Enable the opacity, drag and drop all down. Base, height, subsurface, and opacity. Now we have correct height, and also if you switch to scattering, no scattering. Also opacity, no opacity. Switch back to material mode. And let me go back to sync and make the sync material a little bit darker. Alright, and also the facet a little bit darker, like so. Alright, see together, go to camera view, and yeah, that's acceptable. So let me hit save cabinet,